cook with ground meat often? Don't miss this tip. Cook with lean ground meat that may also save you money with this ingenious meal solution from registered dietitian chef Abby Gelman. The nutrition content for pork has really changed over the past 30 years. The National Pork Board cites that today's cuts provide about 16% less total fat and 27% less saturated fat. The solution for adding high-quality protein to meals with less fat than traditional ground meat? Ground pork roast. Start by slicing pork roast into 2 halves, cut into chunks, and freeze for 10 to 15 minutes. Then pulse in a food processor until reaching the consistency of ground meat. Cook 1 portion immediately for tonight's meal and refrigerate the remainders for up to 2 days. Or cook it all and freeze leftovers for a quick reheat meal in the next 3 months. For more tips like these, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.